Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about State Disaster Management Authority, Unit 2, Approaches to Disaster Risk Reduction. The subject name is Disaster Management. So here, preparation of plans in state level. So some responsibilities in state level under section 18th of Disaster Management Act 2005 says powers and function of state disaster management authority. So state authority shall have responsibility for laying down policies and plans for disaster management in state level and lay down the state disaster management policy, approve the state plan in accordance with the guidelines laid down by the national authority. Lay down guidelines to be followed by the Department of Government of State for the purpose of integration of measures for prevention of disaster and mitigation in their development plans and projects. Coordinate the implementation of the state plan, recommendation, provision of fund for mitigation and preparedness measures, and also review the development plan of the different department of the state and ensure that prevention and mitigation measures are integrated therein. Review the measure being taken for mitigation, capacity building and preparedness by the Department of Government of the responsible state and issue such guideline as may be necessary. So here the overall state disaster management plan. So Indian Fiscal Policy 2008 says National Disaster Management Authority has prepared and issued the guideline to all state for the preparation of state disaster management plan. Preparation of disaster management plan by central ministers and department and state in underway. Under the scheme for preparation of disaster management plan, rupees 5 crore was sanctioned to the central ministries and departments and the state or union territories. Out of this 100% was released to state during last fiscal plan 2010. So here some process of state disaster management authority. Designate nodal department for formulating SDMP, nodal officer with an alternate nodal officer to coordinate with a core groups of officers in each department, capacity development of core group. Identify institution for technical support to core groups. Identify nodal department for civil service, civil defense and home guard, youth organization, gender equity, differently abled and older army people, retired army people for coordination with nodal department. And some process with district and local authorities and people representative they may involved. So we'll see the state plan suggest outlines, vulnerability assessment and risk analysis, historical background of vulnerability of state to different type of natural and man-made disaster, hazard and risk assessment and vulnerability mapping, present or past is very important for the future disaster. Threat preparation for specific type of human induced disaster. Initial indicators and emerging concern, that is urbanization, environmental protection, population, exploitation, problems related to migrant workers and growth of slum, gender bias, children in emergencies and other socio-economic aspect. And also action plan for each component is very important, and coordination and monitoring mechanism is also very important. So finally, mainstreaming disaster management into development planning process or preparedness measures, respond, partnership with other stakeholders, financial agreement, review and update of plans, coordinating and implementation. These are all the state disaster management authorities' responsibility. Hope we have some knowledge about state disaster management authority. Thank you.